Hey guys, Mike again with TV Parts today. On the table behind me, I've got an LG unit. It is a 65UN7000PUD. We're gonna take the back off as well as the boards. As always, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 if you need to order any parts. Let's get into it. All right guys, here we have the back side of the TV. The only portion of this we're gonna need to worry about is just this square right here, or rectangle rather. It's not a square. We've just got some screws around the outside here, and I'll show you how to get this actually removed from the back. I believe that is it for the screws. Let's take another look. Yep, that is it. Now, if you take note, on your set, you're gonna see about 4 positions right through there. This is actually clipped into that. Now, you might be able to actually get this lifted up a bit and then just pull it towards you. If not, you can always just press in on these sections, and those clips should come undone from where they're latched at, just like so. And lift that on up. And flip this over just to give you a better look here. Those 4 metal sections there are what the clips were actually latched into. So let's go ahead and get these taken out of here. All right guys, we're gonna start with this main board here. We're just gonna flip up the flap on this first ribbon cable and just gently slide that out of there. This next one has a lever on the back you can press to release. You're just gonna pinch down and pull the cable straight out from the board there. This one here on the side, you're just gonna squeeze it on the edges and then pull it directly from the board. I'm going to use 2 hands on this one. It looks like it's coming along. Be very gentle with it. There we go, it's eased on out of there. Let's go with this ribbon cable since he's kind of going over the top of this other one right here. We don't want to get that in the way. We're just going to flip up both of these flaps with our fingernail, and this ribbon will just slide directly out from here. Again, be very careful. You don't want to nick any of these things on the sides. This one's the exact same way. Just get up underneath of it, get a good grip, and very slowly ease it out. And we've just got some screws around the outside. Be gentle lifting up in case there's any adhesive. There is not. And that's our main board. All right, and last but not least, we do have this power supply here. Just a little guy, and he's just got 2 clips and some screws around the outside. Both of these clips are very simple. We're just gonna press down, pull that directly out. On this one here, we're gonna be very gentle. There are only 4 cables attached to this. Doesn't have much grip. So we're gonna just press down at the top and pull that very gently out. And we've just got some screws. And there we have it. There we are, another pretty simple video today. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe to the channel, your first order will qualify for 20% off. Thanks, we'll see y'all next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget,
you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.